This is your 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournaments. We are live here inside the Brent-Ziegao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for game number 2 of this Saturday quadruple header. As makikita natin, etong Minalin All-Stars, their head coach is Coach Bernard Valencia, looking to gain a win dito sa ating tournament and move further up sa ating team standings. Makakatapat niya former Pampanga Delta champion, head coach of the Florida Blanca team. Ito si Coach Vince Patrick Ikban, looking to lead his team dito to victory. And ito po ang ating game at hand between the 3-2 Minalin All-Stars kontra the 4-1 Florida Blanca. At ako po ang inyong mga kasama ngayong araw. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and mapapanood po natin ang napakagandang laban between Minalin and Florida Blanca sa aming Facebook page at Pampanga PIO Love. Live po tayo dyan sa ating Facebook page na yan. At syempre, subscribe din po kayo sa YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. We are also live there. And syempre, simultaneously being broadcasted live din po tayo sa Sinag Liga TV. Sinag Liga as YouTube channel. Kaya po, punta na po kayo doon, manood at syempre, like and subscribe sa aming video. And syempre, tingnan po natin etong team standings natin dito. Nasa na ba ang parehong kupunan natin sa ating team standings? Etong Minalin All-Stars at 3-2 at the middle of the pack. Eto namang Florida Blanca seated at the number 3 spot at 4-2. Kaya nga titingnan nga natin kung sino ba ang magwawagi sa dalawang kupunan na maglalaban-laban ngayong araw sa ating second game of this quadruple header Saturday dito. Kaya nga, kung kayo po ay nakatutok, comment na po kayo. Sino ba sa dalawang tingin nyong mananalo? Ito bang Minalin All-Stars or Florida Blanca? Kasi coming up, it's the battle between Minalin All-Stars kontra Florida Blanca. I should introduce our starters of the game. Let's turn it over to our arena announcer.
Welcome everyone to the 2023-2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by the Provincial Government of Pampanga. We're live here in the Brent-Ziegao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. You can catch all the games on Facebook at Pampanga PIO, YouTube at Pampanga PIO, and also Sinag Liga TV on YouTube. And now let's call on the starter for both teams. First wife from Team Minalin All-Star. Forward number 10, Kenneth Pamulagan. Center number 81, Jason Ibay. Forward number 6, PJ Parungaw. Guard number 12, Heron Bonifacio. And guard number 20, Nixon Manabat. And head coach, Bernard Valencia. First wife from Team Florida Blanca. Point guard number 15, Luis Serrano. Shooting guard number 25, Aldrin Serrano. Shooting forward number 5, Drexler Manansala. Power forward number 11, Clyde Alquero. And number 24, center, John Doyag. Head coach, Vince Patrick Ikban. Assistant coach, Jason Sandiam. Coaching staff, Christopher Asufano, Kirby Serrano, Odyssey Sandiam. And our referee, Dennis Escaros, Mike Galotera, and Bertz Isuga.
And here are your starters of the game para dito sa Minalin All-Stars. They started with Manabat, Bonifacio, Ibay, Pamulagan, and itong si Parungaw para naman dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. They started with the two Serranos, Luis and Aldrin. Sama mo pa dyan si Tarog Alquero and Kervin Manansala. Tingnan natin kung sinong mananalo dito sa dalawang koponan na to. Will it be the 4-2 Florida Blanca or eto bang 3-2 Minalin All-Stars, as Minalin gets the first possession of this ball game. There's a stop here again for Florida Blanca. Of course, Florida Blanca in their last game, they did win. Let's see if they can win again as Serrano from the outside knocks it down para dito kay Aldrin Serrano. Kitang-kita naman natin, or rinig natin na may dala pa itong Florida Blanca na mga drums dito. Ala Malolos Republic sa Sinagliga sa Lakas 40. Manansala gives it back to Luis. Luis playing the point, and Aldrin was the shooting guard. Two Serranos right here. Aldrin decides to attack. Aldrin drives, no good. There's a whistle underneath, a pushing foul whistle. And Aldrin, a little bit shaken up. You can see right here, yung kanyang three-point basket. Good dish from Luis. The two Serranos connecting in that possession. 3-0 in favor of Florida Blanca. Baseline inbound for them. Tried to give it dito. Papunta kay Alquero. Natapik nga lang as Tayag. They give it to Aldrin Serrano. Kicks it to the corner. Corner three-pointer. No-go pa rin para dito kay Manansala. Neto tumatakbo na ang Minalin. This will be an easy layup para dito kay Nixon Manabat. Luis manning the point. Gives it to Aldrin. Swing it over. Alquero back to Serrano. They set up Aldrin on the corner. Oh, good give and go. So, mobra nga lang para dito kay Alquero. Clyde misses a point-blank layup right there. What will Minalin do in this possession? They swing the ball around. Parungaw from the outside. Short. Serrano really aggressive in this ball game. He kicks it to Luis. Luis Miguel scores right there. So the two Serranos for Florida Blanca have now scored. All 5 points for Florida Blanca coming by the two Serranos. 3 from Aldrin, 2 from Luis. Zeto Manansala to the basket. Good drop pass. Aldrin overshoots. Seconds to shoot for Florida Blanca. And a turnover right here. Tumatakbo na ang Minalin. Here comes Bonifacio. Turns it over nga lang. And ito, Aldrin on a one-on-one. Aldrin the layup. Sobra na naman. And there's a foul on Manansala's putback. It'll be on Nixon Manabat. First personal foul niya. Two free throws for Kervin Manansala. See if he can make both. Manansala misses the first free throw. Of course, happy watching po sa mga nanonood na nakatutok at patuloy na tumututok sa Pampanga PIO FB page. Comment lang po kayo, sino po ba ang koponan na inyong sinusuportahan at sinong player po ba ang inyong iniidolo dito at sinusuportahan? O Florida Blanca po ba or Minalin? Again, these two teams playing at bracket B. Pareho silang nasa kalagitnaan. Itong Florida Blanca at the number 3 spot. Itong Minalin in the middle at number 6. There's a save there, pero out of bounds na daw pala. Itong si Tayag. John Tayag did not play the last game para dito sa Florida Blanca, but now he's back on the floor. Back in uniform. Oh, good drive. Sorry, miss right there para dito kay Ibay. Manansala. He'll attack, attracting the defense. Get an open Serrano lane. Serrano, the Euro step to the basket. 5 points now for Aldrin Serrano. What a start para dito kay Aldrin Serrano. 5 out of the 7 points. Kanya na. Oh, good steal right there by Luis. Tayag gives it to Aldrin. Was 5 first quarter points. Luis on the attack. Sorry, miss again para dito kay Luis Serrano. Manansala. If a man open on the corner, Manansala tries to take it all the way. Tayag misses the gimme. On the run ito si Ibay. Ibay kicks it. Oh, kulang sa Pectus yung layup dun eh. Pamulagan. Kerwin on the run. Manansala takes it all the way. Now 3 players have scored para dito sa Florida Blanca. The 2 Serranos and now Manansala joins the party. Good layup right there by Kerwin Manansala. Bonifacio kicks it to the corner. They trap and it forces a turnover dito sa parte ng Minalin All-Stars. Good defense galing dito sa Florida Blanca. Coach Vince Ekban calls for time dito as they're up by 7 points after this beautiful fast break layup galing dito kay Kerwin Manansala. They put themselves up by 7 points. 9-2 is our score. 5 minutes and 29 remaining in this first period. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa 2024 Delta Cup, the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament here in Pampanga as Florida Blanca up by 7 points, 9-2. As speaking of etong Minalin All-Stars, let's just give a special shout out to Edelin's Peanuts in Minalin. Edelin Sichon Cañero, their owner, and of course the staff kay Jocelyn Pineda and kay Ma'am Ann Nicole Castillo. Napakasarap po ng Edelin's Peanuts. Crunchy, greaseless peanuts. Thank you po sa pagbibigay ng mga mani dito sa mga staff ng Delta Cup or nagtatrabaho ngayon sa Delta Cup. For sure na-enjoy ng mga tao na nakaupo ngayon sa OB van yung mani na binigay nitong Edelin's Peanuts. As Ibay kicks it. Oh! Good up fake right there, pero hindi nga lang pumasok yung tira doon. Parungaw. Ito Parungaw with again the basketball. Kicks it to Bonifacio, back to Parungaw. Pamulagan, back to Parungaw. Pamulagan is fouled. And referee says it's just a long 2, so this would mean just 2 free throws para sa kanila. The defense of Florida Blanca really holding up, not giving etong Minalin All-Stars a good look at the basket. Of course, substitution right here for Florida Blanca. Pasok na itong si Shaquille Orina. As well as dito para sa panig ng Minalin number 3, itong si Adrian Layog. Of course, also, papabati po itong coaching staff ng Minalin All-Stars. Happy birthday daw po kay Vina May Manalili, of course, from Engineer Von Manalili, her husband, the team manager of Minalin All-Stars. So, the wife of Engineer Von Manalili, Ma'am Gina May Manalili, happy birthday po on behalf of your Delta and Sinagliga Asha family right here. And also, shout out to Mayor Philip Nagit, Minalin, Pampanga. For sure, nanonood si Mayor Philip ngayon. Let's pick 2 points. Galing dito kay Orina. Kakapasok pa lang ni Shaquille and Shaq already scores 2 points. What will Minalin answer? They are down right now, 11-4. Adrian Tried to dribble through the defense, and he was fouled. Foul is on. This foul is going to be on Luis Miguel Serrano. Let's take a look at this. Shaq Orina layup right there. Instant offense. And speaking of instant offense, Speedy Harvey now on the floor. Para dito sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Of course, kanina ng first game natin, we did announce that Pampanga Delta will be joining the not born 2001, the 23 under in 19 under tournament. And also, Coach J.R. De La Cruz and the rest of the Hustle Rising Suns are going to return din sa Sinag Liga Asia. They have recently signed a long-term deal with Sinag Liga Asia. So, are we going to see some more Speedy Harvey sa Sinag Liga Asia? We don't know. But syempre dito, mapaparoon natin si Speedy Harvey and the rest of Florida Blanca right now as they force a stop there. 24-second shot clock violation on Minalin All-Stars. Oh, good pass. As an easy layup para dito kay Troy Lugtu. 13-4, 9-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca. Pamulagan. Step back, gives it to Ibay. They swing it cross court. Layu goes down low. The shot underneath, there was a foul, a whistle here. Shaquille Orina napituan, so you can see PJ Parunga will shoot 2 free throws. Trying to cut the lead further down here. Paruma makes the first. 2 out of 2 para dito kay PJ. He will sit down for a little while. Yes, you have to give the ball first to the referee before the inbound after a free throw. It's a make. Good steal by Ibay, and Ibay gets fouled. Jason Ibay now took to the line for 2, and Coach Vince Igban not happy with that inbound pass. Medyo malambot yung pasa doon ni Kurt Reyes. At si Kurt Reyes pa yung pumaul. Jersey number of Jason Ibay, number 81, reminds you of ayun na, death anniversary. Officially kahapon ang death anniversary. Of course, the late great Kobe Bryant, now 4 years, together with his daughter Gianna Bryant. So this number 81, a very emotional number for all of us who are Kobe fans, di ba? These players, for sure makaramihan dito, mga yun ang iniidolo eh. Kobe Bryant was our version of Michael Jordan. But there's a foul whistle here, a holding foul whistled on Adrian Layu. 13-6, 2 minutes and 48 remaining in this first period. Reyes. Oh, good backdoor play papunta kay Shaq. And Orina gets the basket to go. 4 points now for Shaquille Orina off the bench. Layud. Layud goes to the corner. Pamulagan again, another fearless drive. Galing dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. Napa-penalty pa nila itong Florida Blanca agad-agad. Take a look at this fearless drive again. What an attack right there by Kenneth Pamulagan. And look at that, Coach Vince Igban. Nilagay na ang kanyang Hustle Rising Suns. The Rising Suns Twin Towers, JP Manuel and Jin Layug now on the floor. Let's see how these Twin Towers, the Rising Suns have Twin Towers play an effect dito. For Florida Blanca, of course, that Twin Tower combination gives problems for a lot of teams, not just in Sinag Liga Asia, but also dito sa Delta Cup. There's a foul as Speedy Harvey gets fouled by Layug. Team foul number 4 for Minalin All-Stars. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Durelo, wide open look. Misses everything that time. The play was set up for him. But they executed the plays so well na open dun si Durelo. 15-8 is our score. Naghahabol pa rin dito ang Minalin All-Stars. A steal here by Orina. Harvey stops on a dime. Gives it to Orina. Manuel, shortstop. Floater, no good. Ibay on the attack. Ibay against Layub. Basket and one yan para dito kay Ibay. Good move by Jason against the Twin Towers. Let's look at this right here. Jason Ibay. Sandwich between two defenders using his strength to muscle the shot through. So bonus free throw mabibigay dito kay Jason Ibay. Kompleto ang bonus free throw para dito kay Jason Ibay. As Pamulagan will sit down muna sa bench. Eros Isip comes in for Minalin All-Stars. Up by 4 itong Florida Blanca. They want to add to it in this possession. Speedy Harvey with a crossover. Speedy Harvey all the way to the basket. Do not blink if you're guarding Harvey Salvador. Look at this defense, the hounding defense galing dito sa Florida Blanca. The ball sails out of bounds as Parungaw misses the three-pointer. Six-point lead. Harvey gives it to Orina. Jid hands it up to Harvey. They set it up for Shaq. Open three-pointer and Orina misfires from the outside. That was a good open look again para dito sa Florida Blanca. Oh, and a turnover right there. Parungaw tried to toss it up to Ibay and masyadong malakas yung pasa. Sarado miscue para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Final 46 seconds of this first quarter. Salvador gives it to Durelo. The pass was a little bit too hot. Harvey tried to save it from a backcourt violation. Tumatakbo na dito Florida Blanca. Parungaw the layup. And was fouled right here by JP Manuel. Is that Manuel's second? It is his second personal foul. Speaking of PJ Parungaw, back to the free throw line. .7 seconds natitira. Parungaw goes 0 for 2, but he gets the offensive rebound. Nine seconds to shoot for the men in white. Parungaw from way downtown. No go. Lobo underneath. Nakaabang lang. Good tap by Eros Isip. Last second chance para dito sa Florida Blanca. Luckily, natapik yung bola doon. That would have been an easy layup para dito kay JP Manuel. Baseline inbound for the men from Florida Blanca. Naagaw yun ni Parungaw. On the run. Abot pa ba yan? That looked like it should count para dito kay Kobe Guevara. There's referee saying na inconclusive pass, so they're going to look at it right now. Let's look at this right here sa ating replay. Kobe Guevara. Let's wait for the official decision. Referee says no basket there for Kobe Guevara. So hindi umabot yung kanyang tira at so ang end of first quarter score natin officially is 17-13. So the 4-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca. 17-13 is our score. We'll be right back. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Itong Florida Blanca lamang dito ng 4 na puntos as the first possession goes to the Minalin All-Stars. Parungaw and itong si Ibay played heavy minutes in that first quarter. Parungaw still di pa nilalabas dito. Si Coach Bernard Valencia. Florida Blanca gets the stop. Alfaro with the steal. David Alfaro now in the ball game. David from his favorite spot. A little bit short there for Alfaro. The short-haired David Alfaro now. Parungaw through the defense. Well defended by the Twin Towers of Florida Blanca. Alfaro. Pull-up jumper is good for David Alfaro. Another Hustle Rising Sun player from Sinag Liga Asia. 4 of them now are on the floor. Parungaw kicks it to Cruz. Back to Parungaw and another turnover for Minalin All-Stars. Salvador to Gregorio. Gregorio nearly slipped but still able to hit the shot, and that's why he's laughing. He nearly slipped there. 21-13 is our score. Pamulagan goes to the corner. The attack by Manabat. Referee says there's a foul. It's going to be on David Alfaro. No, it's on JP Manuel. That's his 3rd personal foul, so that's why babalik to the floor. Then si Clyde Alquero. Nixon Manabat again to the free throw line. Knocks down the first one. Was in the first quarter. He did knock down 2 free throws. 2 out of 2 shot from the free throw line. Now 3 out of 3. 4 out of 4. Si Nixon Manabat. So far in today's ball game. P.D. Harvey gives it to Alfaro. Back to Harvey. Salvador off the live screen. They set up Alfaro. High arcing three-pointer. No go. Good rebound right there by Trix Cruz. Pamulagan attacks, and there's a foul. It's gonna be on Clyde Alquero. Take a look at that. There's the bump by Alquero. Balance doon itong si Pamulagan. As Kenneth again misses a free throw. 0 for 2 naman siya. So complete opposite itong si Pamulagan at saka si Nixon Manabat. Pamulagan was 0 for 2 from the free throw line in the first quarter. Now 0 for 3. Finally, he makes 1 out of 4 from the free throw line. That time, Gregorio made sure that the referees touched the ball after the free throw. Harvey. Harvey from the outside. Speedy Harvey with the 3. Back to an 8-point lead para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Pamulagan goes to the corner. Oh, good reverse layup para dito kay Manabat. Alfaro gives it to Alquero. David, 7 seconds to shoot. David attacks. David puts it up. And it drops for David Alfaro. The known shooter of the Hustle Rising Suns has 4 points, all from drives and attacks. Manabat kicks it to the outside. Cruz knocks down the three-pointer para dito kay Trix. (26-21). Harvey kicks it to Gregorio. Glenn, 5 seconds. Alfaro still out of sync para dito kay David Alfaro. 0 for 3 na siya from the three-point line. Oh! What a denial right there by Layug. And isa pa, sabi ni Jean Layug. But yun nga lang, offensive foul na ipito kay Jean. So ball will remain dito sa panig ng Minalin. Let's take a look at this. Yan yung una ni Layug. And here's the second one for Jean Layug, one of the best shot blockers that participated in the Board 2001 Cup ng Sinagliga Asia. Parungaw, no good from the outside. Alfaro with the long rebound. David, the lob. Harvey! Wow. Speedy Harvey trying to go eye in the sky. That's another foul. Going to be whistled here on Manabat. Let's take a look at that. That's normally in reverse. Normally, si Harvey ang nagbabato ng lob kay Alfaro, but that time role reversal ang kanilang ginawa. Harvey Salvador misses the first free throw. Harvey Salvador was a terror back in Sinagliga Asia, one of the best point guards we've seen in that tournament. We've seen a lot. Of course, CJ Delfino, the mythical 5-member, playing for Lubao, Pampanga right now. Mig Sahali of NBS Slashers. DJ Triste of Antipolo Pilgrims Leap. You can put itong si Speedy Harvey in that conversation. Again, another block para dito sa Florida Blanca. This time it's Alquero as Alfaro naman on the other end with an easy layup. 6 points now for David Alfaro. Naririnig na natin itong mga drums na nakarga ng Florida Blanca. Guevara swings it to Cruz. Already hit one from the outside. No go. And Alfaro with another board. Oh, look at Guevara trying to strip Alfaro away. Jump ball ang tawag ng ating referees. Ball possession arrow points the way of Florida Blanca. A 3-man substitution para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Also, substitution din para dito sa Florida Blanca. Harold Lopez comes in, replacing itong si Glenn Gregorio. Harvey. He will set the play, gives it to Lopez. They kick it to the corner. Alfaro. Ayaw pa rin. 0 for 4 na itong si David Alfaro from 3-point land. And that's normally his spot. That's his favorite spot. That wing 3-point shot. Strix. Gives it to Manabat. Still a miss dito para kay Nixon from the mid-range. Harvey wants a screen from Jean. They kick it. Lopez, 3-pointer. It's good. Instant offense na naman. Harold Lopez. Pagpasok ng pagpasok. Corner 3 agad ang pinukol. And it goes in for him. Now a 10-point lead para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Lahayog pinayungan na lang doon si Manabat. Four minutes and 33 remaining. Harvey, head and shoulder fake. Pinoy step, gives it. Oh, sorry, missed there by Clyde Alquero. Great setup job though, galing dito kay Harvey. Take a look at this corner 3-pointer again by Harold Lopez. Pagpasok na pagpasok, wala nang warm-up agad-agad. And look at the smile on Harold Lopez's face. Instant offense for Coach Vince Icban's team. Cruz gives it to Layug. Oh! Beautiful eye in the sky play from Adrian Layug and itong Jason Ibay. Caught the two big men, Tayag and Alquero, napping there, and they went eye in the sky. Alfaro gets stripped. And there's a foul. It's going to be on David. It's going to be his first personal. As we can see, the head coach of Florida Blanca, former Pampanga Delta champion, national champion should I say, Vince Patrick Icban. Now manning being the head coach of Florida Blanca, Pampanga's own hometown. Si Vince Icban won numerous championships para dito sa representing Pampanga. Even a Luzon championship. And siyempre, ito ang kanyang kakampi. From Minalin, Pampanga naman, a Pampanga G-Lantern Pro player himself, Joshua Miklat, Coleo de San Juan de Letran player. SLA champion din itong si Mr. Miklat, of course, from Minalin, Pampanga yan. Ito si Joshua. So the two former teammates. Although nasa side ng Florida Blanca ito si Miklat. But Speedy Harvey with a beautiful spin right there. Of course, paalala ko nga lang para sa mga nanonood. Mga kasinag natin dito sa Pampanga, malapit na po ang 19 and 23 under ng Sinag Liga Asia. And we are officially welcoming back the defending champions of the Born 2001 Cup, ang Pampanga Delta, as Governor Dennis Delta Pineda has officially confirmed the participation of Pampanga Delta. They're going back to reclaim their throne sa Sinag Liga Asia, and siyempre, that will happen on March 2024. And those teams that will win, magka-qualify po sila for the Junior World Showcase happening on July 18 to 23 dito po sa Brenzigiao Convention Center, wherein teams from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and also teams coming from Italy, Canada, the United Arab Emirates, and the United States ang maglalaban-laban dito po sa Pampanga. Gaganapin ang Junior World Showcase ng Sinag Liga Asia. Look at the defense once again para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Not really allowing itong Minalin to get in a rhythm. Oh, good up fake right there. Galing dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. Fake the alley-oop play and then put it down. Alquero. And Alfaro gets denied by Pamulagan, but sabi ng referee, there was a foul. Alfaro to the free throw line. Let's look at this again. Great play right here for Minalin. The beautiful up fake right there in mid-air by Kenneth Pamulagan, and then he finishes over Alfaro right there. Speaking of Alfaro, he's at the free throw line for two. Of course, we saw a lot of SLA, Sinag Liga Asia Born 2001 players dito. Kanina first game, 4 players who played for Sinag Liga Asia. 3 from the WID 1, Daryl Garcia, Randem Simbulan, and ito si Parley Dimla, and also Steven Angeles was the best player kanina. Dito naman, mga taga-hustle Rising Suns, Alfaro, Salvador, Layug, and Manuel. And of course, andyan si Joshua Miklat of Pampanga Delta, and kanina rin from Passion Sports Elite, Renz Bernardo. A lot of SLA alumni are attending these games natin dito. As good defense right here by Harold Lopez. Lopez on the run. Lopez, sobra lang yung layup. Alfaro with the rebound. Hindi pa pumasok din. Chance for Minalin to cut the lead down. It's currently at 10. Oh! Beautiful move. Hindi lang na-finish yung highlight, but PJ will go back to the free throw line. As a timeout is called by Coach Vince Ikban right here. Florida Blanca wants to call for ceasefire. They're up by 10, 35 to 25. Makikita natin ang mga fans supporting ang kanilang cities and municipalities dito sa loob ng Brenzigiao Convention Center. Mga fans dito po yan ng Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Parungaw again misses another free throw. Of course, again, shoutout lang po sa Edelin Peanuts in Minalin. Shoutout po kay Edelin Sichon Caniero, the owner of Edelin's Peanuts. And of course, sa staff nila si Ma'am Jocelyn Pineda and Ma'am Ann Nicole Castillo. Thank you so much po sa Edelin's Peanuts na binigay nyo. Crunchy, greaseless peanuts. As Alfaro, 0 for 5 now from the free throw line. Matakbo na naman itong Minalin. That's a good layup. Galing dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. Baba sa 7. Kalamangan sa Alfaro. I said he was a shooter. Pero sabi siguro ni Alfaro, I'm not just a shooter, I am a pure scorer. Di man siya makashoot from 3-point land. He's now scoring from layups. Oh, PJ Parungaw from the outside. So an exchange of baskets here for the final 2 minutes of this second period. Serrano goes to Tayag. Harold, a fake drive layup. He was fouled. Go to the line. Itong si Harold Lopez. As Glenn Gregorio comes back in, lalabas muna. Ito si David Alfaro as Harold Lopez to the free throw line. He'll shoot two. Again, instant offense itong ginagawa ni Harold Lopez. Pagpasok na pagpasok, 3-point shot agad ang ginawa. Lopez first free throw in and out. A lot of free throws are rattling out in this ball game. Even from those who can normally shoot free throws in a decent clip. 0 for 2 si Lopez dun. From his trip to the free throw line. Parungaw manning the point. Gives it dito kay Dunglao. They go to the corner. Ibay from the outside. No go. Offensive rebound. Uy, niluwa pa. Sorry, miss there for Dunglao. Lopez. Oh, what a finish right there para kay Harold Lopez. Basket and one para sa kanya. Quick answer para dito sa Florida Blanca. Let's take a look at this beautiful move. Crossover, Euro, and the finish. Beautiful footwork and finishing maneuvers there galing dito kay Harold Lopez. Parang nakikita ko yung Bill Sanity dun sa galaw na yun. Harold Lopez again, 0 for 2. Kanina in his earlier trip. Now he converts 3-point play. Ito ata niya, foul counted dapat eh. 9-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca. Bonifacio comes back into the game. Parungaw. Hounded right here. Dunglao back to Parungaw. The floater in the middle, no go. Para spot for the rebound. Oh, Serrano, open look. No good sa kanyang quick trigger three-pointer. Si Luis Miguel Serrano. Bonifacio up fake. Nawala pa yung bola. Hindi ready. Dun si Caparas for the pass. Glenn sees the clock and wisely pulls it out for the last shot. Coach Vince Ecban loved that decision. Lopez inches closer. Kicks it back out to Gregorio. 2 seconds. Naagawan pa ni Gregorio. At hindi naaabot tong tira ni Gregorio. But what a second period para dito sa Florida Blanca. They were up by double digits multiple times in this first half. Especially in this second quarter as bench players nila started to come in. Started to produce. As makikita natin ating second quarter highlight. Ito si Kenneth Pamulagan with that beautiful reverse. But dito, the backcourt, as always, nito Florida Blanca. Guys like Glenn Gregorio, Speedy Harvey Salvador, and ito si Harold Lopez produced some tremendous numbers in this first half of action dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. And itong Florida Blanca, Pampanga magbabaon ng 9-point lead at the half, 40-31. Catch you soon mga kabalin kasi we will be right back dito lang sa 2024 Delta Cup. Pero pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as it's a 9-point lead para dito sa Abe King Paluyong Florida Blanca kontra Minalin All-Stars. 40-31 ang ating score as we can see some of these halftime highlights right here. Itong takbuhan dito, the running game of both of these teams, but it is etong Florida Blanca, their defense has been holding up in this ball game. Napakaganda nga ng defense na pinapakita nila, especially from the backcourt. Guys like Lopez, etong si Gregorio, of course the two Serranos, and sama mo pa si Speedy Harvey. Gamit na gamit ang guard rotation dito ni Coach Vince Patrick Ikban in this ball game. I believe almost all of the point guards have already been on the floor at least at some point. As makikita natin leading scores, Pamulagan with 9 points, Parunga with 6 together with Nixon Manabat para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars. Para naman dito sa Florida Blanca, Alfaro leads them with 8 points, Salvador with 7, and Serrano, Aldrin Serrano with 5 points in the first half. Etong Florida Blanca looking like they're going to steamroll dito unless itong Minalin All-Stars can figure out a way to push through against the pressure defense of the backcourt and also ma-alleviate yung twin tower combination. But as of right now, Coach Vince Ikban going with Layo as his only big man in the middle. Coach Jin Layo already had 2 blocks in that first half. Back-to-back pa yun in 1 possession. Parungaw kicks it to Pamulagan. Back to Parungaw. PJ setting up a play off the pick and roll. Ibay. They lob it to Pamulagan. And Pamulagan scores from underneath. Good play coming out of the halftime break para dito sa Minalin. There's a turnover right here for Florida Blanca to start off. Minalin can cut the lead further down. It's now currently at 7. PJ back to Kenneth. Kenneth goes baseline, papunta kay Jason. Jason misses from underneath. There's a whistle right now. Serrano. This is Luis Serrano. Kicks it to the corner. Gregorio from the outside. Off the mark. So still no basket para dito sa panig na Florida Blanca in this third period. Oh, good lob to Ibay. Nixon kicks it from the outside. Sumabit dito si Luis Serrano. And this will mean 3 free throws para dito kay Irish Lobo. Let's see if Irish can score all 3 free throws. Of course, tandaan natin last January 24, itong Florida Blanca defeated San Fernando here sa Brenzigao in their own home floor 58-48. So coming off that victory na matalo mo ang home team na San Fernando, Florida Blanca wants to keep on steamrolling against the bracket B. Go further up on the standings. An offensive rebound para dito sa panig na Minalin. Out of that, 1 out of 3 from the free throw line. Itong si Lobo as a travel violation is whistled dito sa panig na Minalin All-Stars. Turnover para dito kay Manabat. Speedy Harvey comes back in. And speaking of Florida Blanca, nagpapa-shoutout po sila. Shoutout daw kay Kim and Gida. And Gida watching right now. Happy watching po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa 2024 Delta Cup. Harvey on the attack, stripped away. Tumatakbo na naman itong taga Minalin. And the easy layup para dito kay Nixon Manabat. Salvador. They kick it to the corner, back to Harvey. Muntik pa, and it is a turnover para dito sa Florida Blanca. Good defense right here by PJ Parungaw. Nagigising na ang depensa na itong Minalin. Almost flipping the script dito. Pamulagan. Gives it to Jason. Ibay the kick. Parunga from the outside. No go. Layog with a rebound. Here comes Harvey, gives it to Gregorio. The kick, Serrano, three-pointer. No go for Aldrin. Fight for the loose ball, players on the ground. Some chippiness right there of the scramble. Let's check it right here once again. What happened there? Ball is loose on the floor. Players got entangled there. Our referees are checking it sa IRS natin dito. Referees say nothing happened there that merits any whistle or any upgrade. So it'll just be call stands na jump ball and bola pupunta dito sa panig na Minalin All-Stars. Parungaw kicks it to Manabat, back to PJ. Kenneth goes underneath. Lobo to the outside. Parungaw, quick trigger, jumper is good. Babasa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Florida Blanca. What will Florida Blanca answer here? They haven't scored in this third period yet. 3 minutes have gone by already. Aldrin, three-pointer way off the mark. Naagaw dito ni Alquero. Harvey. Trying to dance with the defense, Speedy. Harvey. Niluwapan ng ring yung layup. Here comes Minalin. They can tie with a layup. Pamulagan puts it up and in. Plus a foul. And a chance to retake the lead para dito sa Minalin All-Stars. What a basket right here, and what a run, a 9-0 run para dito sa panig ng Minalin All-Stars after this beautiful layup galing dito kay Kenneth Pamulagan. He can retake the lead with this bonus free throw. Kompleto for Kenneth Pamulagan, and now lamang na ang Minalin All-Stars. A 10-0 start in this third period. Harvey hands it off to Manabat, gives it to Serrano. Aldrin attacks. Alquero, well defended by Minalin. The ball stays dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. 7 seconds on the shot clock for Florida Blanca. We have yet to score here in the third period. Harvey attacks. Harvey puts it up and in. First 2 points para dito sa Florida Blanca, and they retake the lead 42-41. Kenneth back to PJ. The swing. Ibay, ball was tapped. 8 seconds to shoot. Ibay attacks. Nawala yung bola. 4 seconds. Ibay, the hook shot, no good. And good rebound right there for Manabat. And Harvey steps out of bounds. Babalik ang bola para dito sa panig na Minalin All-Stars. PJ manning the point for Minalin. Look at that passing right here for the men in white. Parungaw spins, kicks, three-pointer. No good para dito kay Manabat. Harvey attacks, kicks it. Face-up jumper, wala pa rin. So just Harvey Salvador's basket. Kurt Reyes' jumper, hindi nakascore, but Alquero scores underneath. Good basket for Clyde. Much needed para yan dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Ibay nearly lost it. Ibay steps on the sidelines. Babalik ang bola dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Itong si Adrian Layog comes back into the ballgame for Minalin. Uupo muna. Ito si PJ Parungaw. Harvey. Only 4 points on the part of Florida Blanca so far. Samantalang dito naman sa panig ng Minalin, 10 points na sila in this quarter. Salvador draws the foul. Substitution right here for Minalin. Si Bonifacio comes back in. So, 4th personal foul daw on Layug. Reyes gives it back to Manansala. Manansala attacks. The kick, Aldrin. Serrano, pull-up jumper. Ayaw pa rin para dito sa panig na Florida Blanca. And Pamulagan on the run. Pamulagan with another fast break layup. Kenneth Pamulagan starting to heat up here. Aldrin Serrano draws the foul. Babalik si Harold Lopez, replacing ito si Aldrin Serrano. Harvey played extensive minutes dito sa game. Salvador with a beautiful attack to the basket. And a turnover right here para dito sa Minalin. Of course, again, shout out po to Mayor Philip Nagit of Minalin, Pampanga. Avid supporter itong si Mayor Philip Nagit of basketball. Shout out po Mayor Philip Nagit. Look at the defense right here by Minalin All-Stars, and they force another stop but an offensive rebound for Lopez. Salvador and is fouled, and he'll troop to the line for 2. Almost everything para sa Florida Blanca. They're struggling to shoot except for Speedy Harvey. He has 4 points dito out of the 6 that they've scored in the third period, as Parungao comes back in together dito with Vince Pineda. For the first time, itong si Vince Pineda coming into the ball game. Harvey misses the free throw. We can go 1 out of 2 here. 3 minutes and 32 natitira sa ating third period. Harvey goes 0 for 2 from the free throw line. Parungao kicks it. 3-pointer by Pineda, no go. Tapi ka ng bola, it sails out of bounds. Bola pupunta sa Florida Blanca. The entire coaching staff of Minalin All-Stars telling their players to go back down on defense agad. Wag na magreklamo sa referees. That's the right mindset. Go back down on defense, dun ka bumawi. Salvador operating the pick and roll. Rejects the screen. Salvador to the basket. Sobrang nga lang yung layup, and there's a foul whistled here. Ball stays with Florida Blanca. Well, some of these players we will see once again sa Sinagliga Asa sa 19 and 23 under in March. Very excited. So, if you're also excited, mga kasinag, tutok lang po kayo dito sa mga tournaments natin as a 24-second shot clock violation whistled right here on the side of Florida Blanca. Another chance for Minalin to tie the game with a 3-pointer or even cut the lead to 1. They go underneath. Sobrang nga lang yung layup dun. As Alquero with a huge rebound right there. Lopez on the attack. Lopez tried to drop it off, pero kalaban pala niya yung kanyang kasama dun. Parungao, Euro step. Parungao puts it up and in, plus a foul. And not happy is the bench or coaching staff of Florida Blanca. Let's take a look at this. Parungao with a 3-point opportunity. He has a chance to tie the game. There's a warning on Florida Blanca for improper bench decorum because of the reaction on the foul call. Let's see if Parungao can tie the game. No, he can't. Look at that. Lopez just skying high for that rebound. Harvey Good hesitation move in Salvador once again. Just another foul dito. Jason Ibay ang napituhan. That's his second personal foul. Coming back in itong si Orina, Shaq Orina. Salvador in his earlier trip in this quarter, 0 for 2. Finally makes one. See if Speedy Harvey can go 2 for 2. 1 out of 2 for Speedy Harvey. 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in this contest, in this third period. Pineda kicks it. Barungaw stops. Tries to find a friend. Oh, good passing. Sayang lang for Ibay. Tapi ka ng bola. It will go back to Florida Blanca after ball sails out of bounds. A sorry miss right there for Bonifacio. And Ibay. Shaq hands it off to Lopez. Orina. Pick and roll with Alquero. Alquero, the reverse layup is a thing of beauty. So only Alquero and itong si Salvador ang nakakascore pa lang para dito sa Florida Blanca. They've scored all 9 points for Florida Blanca in this quarter. Here's the chance of defense on the side of Florida Blanca. Barungaw misses. Tap by Alquero. Here comes Lopez. Lopez. Over to Orina, Shaq. Niluwa pa yung layup. Malilin All-Stars trying to get that big basket to get another run out of them. 15-9 is our quarter score. 49-45 is our official score right here. The three-pointer is still a miss. Alquero flying high. Keep it alive. But sabi ng ating referee, siya pa, last touch dun. 40.3 seconds remaining as Vince Ikban calling for a coach's challenge. Coach Vince is sure na bola nila dito, and that's why they're going to challenge it right now. Their referees are going to IRS right now. Take a look right here. On that replay, inconclusive pass, so our referees are checking it vigorously dito sa ating IRS. Ref say unsuccessful challenge. Ball will go dito sa Minalin All-Stars. We're down by 4, 49-45. What will Minalin All-Stars do in their offensive set? Bonifacio, he spins. He puts it up. Wala pa rin. Harvey with a rebound. Orina from the outside. Wala pa rin talaga. It's just still Alquero and Salvador ang nakaka-score for Florida Blanca as there's a foul whistled here on Tayag. That'll be the 14th foul for Florida Blanca in this quarter. Take a look at the foul. There you go. Tayag trying to steal the ball and clear in front of the referee. Birds Itsuga. Foul call. And the contact. Final 10 seconds of the third period. Bonifacio with the dance with the defense. Trying to split the defenders. Ball is loose on the floor. Lopez gets it at di naaabot. Itong Florida Blanca for a last shot, but how about itong Minalin All-Stars? Started the quarter with a 10-0 run. Now they're only down by 4 points, and they've held itong Florida Blanca to just 9 third quarter points. As we can see this third quarter highlights dito. And Speedy Harvey with 5 out of the 9 points for Florida Blanca, pero dito sa panig ng
Minalin All-Stars. A lot of players getting in transition, especially ito si Kenneth Pamulagan in that first few minutes of the game. A lot of basket and then ones na nakuha niya dun. That's why 4 na puntos lang ang hinahabol nitong Minalin All-Stars. 49-45 entering the fourth and final quarter of this 2024 Delta Cup. Tayo po ay nakatutok pa rin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. It's a 4-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca, 49-45, and entering the fourth and final quarter dito. Layog is back in the floor. They try to lob it to Lopez. Sumobra lang for Harold. Good play call. They got the look that they wanted. Hindi lang talaga pumasok for them. Parungaw, they go to the corner. Cruz. Good close out there by Layog, but they leave Cruz open. Harvey with another board. Harvey, the toss up to Kurt. Reyes loses the basketball. Masyadong mababa yung pasa ni Speedy Harvey. Chance of defense from the Florida Blanca side. Underneath, oh, good denial, but there's a foul. Is it gonna be on Kurt Reyes or Jean Layog? It's on Jean Layog yung foul. Take a look at this foul right again. There you go, on the shoulder. Malinis yung huli doon ni Kurt Reyes, but Layog did foul him before. 2 free throws mapupunta dito kay Nixon Manabat, who misses the free throw. Nixon second free throw. Oh, niluwa din. 0 for 2 from the free throw line. Si Manabat, he shot 100% from the free throw line. Lopez kicks it to Salvador. Salvador hesitated to shoot. Harvey attacks baseline. Reyes back to Lopez. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Lopez denied right there. Lopez on the putback. Wala pa rin. There's a pushing foul whistled here. Harold Lopez has 3 chances in this quarter to score. 0 for 3 siya in this fourth and final period. Baseline inbound para dito. Florida Blanca. Jin kicks it to Harvey. The 2 rising Suns connect there, and speaking of connect, Harvey Salvador connecting from the outside. Speedy Harvey starting to heat up in this ball game, picking up where he left off in the third. Pamulagan. They swing it to the corner. Parungaw underneath. Nawala nga lang kay Ibay, but naandun si Manabat for the putback. Ibay lost the ball, but Manabat was at the right place at the right time. 52-47, 8 minutes and 9 remaining in this fourth period. Orina. That's a clear offensive foul right there on Jean Layog. Na-reject na ni Orina yung screen. Still able to, he was still hitting yung defender. And that's clear, a clear offensive foul for our referees. We can see Coach Vince Ikban not happy with the effort of his players so far. They had a big lead earlier, a 10-point lead. Now it's a race. Baba na lang sa 5. Pamulagan. Kenneth pulls up from the outside. Back irons that 3-pointer. Reyes with a board. Salvador gives it to Lopez. Harold across. The dish to Kurt. Reyes jumper. Short. Tapigan ng bola. It'll go back to Minalin All-Stars. Parungaw manning point. PJ a little bit quiet in this second half. Tricks. Goes to the corner. Pamulagan from the outside again. No good na naman for Kenneth. Orina. He'll attack. Good basket right there for Shaq Orina. 7-point lead for Florida Blanca. PJ Pamulagan needs to take over this game again, just like what he did. Or either ito si Kenneth Pamulagan, they both have to score again here. As the lob underneath, Pamulagan nearly turned it over. 2 seconds, Ibay from the outside, too strong. Bola pa rin ng Minalin. The corner shot right there will be nullified dahil out of bounds na daw, sabi na ating referee. As we can see, Coach Bernard Valencia, the head coach of Minalin All-Stars. A look of seriousness on his face dahil nga, down sila dito. Lopez. Lopez will attack. Drops it off to Reyes. Basang-basa yun ni Parungaw. PJ attacks. PJ misses pa rin. Both of the teams are missing the shots that they were making earlier in the first half. Harvey down low. Lopez again, wala. 0 for 5 na si Lopez in this quarter. Ibay on the run. Tricks layup. There's a foul. This would mean 2 free throws for Tricks Cruz. Glenn Gregorio comes back into the game. Tricks Lopez will shoot 2 free throws as our referee going over to the bench netong Minalin. Oh, there's one particular person there sa panig ng Minalin that shouldn't even be there sa bench. Yun ang kinaklarify ng ating referee. He will go to the stands. That's the right call right there. As kanina nasa bench kasi yung civilian clothes na yan. So he was put to the stands with the fans. And he's not supposed to be there if he's not part of the coaching staff. Nor if he's not part of the lineup of the listed players. The 15-man lineup ng Minalin All-Stars or any team should that be a case. 54-49, we're at the midway point of the fourth and final quarter. Gregorio gives it to Orina. Shaq, 10 seconds to shoot. Orina forces the issue, and Orina gets the basket to go. 56-49, 7-point lead. Manabat goes down low. There's a foul. I believe it's going to be on Shaquille Orina. That's his second personal foul of the game. 5 minutes and 27 natitira sa ating laro. Oh, sorry, missed there for Pamulagan. Again, another open look from 3. Hindi niya makapitalize as the lob to Orina was tapped. Here comes Minalin on a 2-on-1. Oh, good defense by Alquero and etong si Lopez to prevent what could have been an easy transition bucket for Minalin All-Stars. Cruz gives it to Pamulagan. Pamulagan attacks and he'll draw a foul again. He'll go back to the free throw line. Penalty na ulit dito itong Florida Blanca. They have been in the penalty for all 4 quarters now. Pamulagan knocks down the first free throw. Kenneth, second free throw, 2 out of 2 siya doon from the free throw line. Five minutes and change remaining in this ball game. Gregorio, off the glass shot, no, but Alquero is there for the one-handed follow. 58 to 51. Parungaw. They swing it, Ibay from the outside, no go. Alquero with the rebound. Orina gives it to Reyes. Reyes, the layup, gets it to drop. Back to a 9-point Florida Blanca lead right now. What a counter para dito sa Florida Blanca. Let's look at this fast break play right here. Lopez with a tap. And the pass papunta dito kay Reyes for the easy 2 points. 60 to 51 is our score. Tayo po ay nagbabalik dito sa Brenzigiao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Makikita natin ang ating face of the game dito. Congratulations po, ma'am. You are our face of the game here in this second game. Medyo mahihain nata si ate. But congratulations po. You have been awarded the face of the game. Nine-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca. What will Menalin answer? They erased this lead earlier with a 10-0 start. See if they can do it again. And that ends up on a turnover coming after their own timeout. Not a good sign for Coach Bernardo Valencia. Florida Blanca can put the double-digit lead again here on the board if they score here. Orina puts it up and in. Beautiful Euro by Orina. Shaquille Orina with another basket here in the fourth period. Now an 11-point lead para sa panig na Minalin. An offensive foul whistle dito on Minalin All-Stars. So nothing's really going right para sa kanila. Fourth personal foul on Jason Ibay. Salvador gives it to Gregorio. Glenn will attack, drops it off to Alquero. Harvey, and that's Alquero with an illegal pick din. Back-to-back illegal picks from both of these teams. Three minutes and 38 seconds remaining in this ball game. What will Minalin do? They need another big run here. Ibay drops it off. And Lobo gets fouled. I believe it's on Gregorio. Glenn saying he got ball, but the referee says otherwise. Penalty na nga itong Florida Blanca. There's only 2 free throws para dito kay Lobo. Lobo makes the first one. Free throws will be crucial here if you're Minalin. Napa-penalty niya na Florida Blanca. You can stop the time as well as get some points on the board without any defenders. Orina gives it to Gregorio. Glenn will attack. Oh, good steal by Lobo. Irish couldn't handle the pass. Ball will remain dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Reyes makes his move. Reyes big steps to the basket. Kulang lang yung layup niya. Ibay gives it. Look at that give and go, and Pamulagan scores from underneath. You're Minalin All-Stars, there's still a lot of time, but you have to play with some sense of urgency right now. Gregorio. And Ibay with the foul. That's going to be Minalin's third team foul of the quarter. And Jason Ibay now fouls out of the ball game. Coming in to the ball game para dito sa Minalin. Si number 18, Kobe Guevara, played in the first half but did not see action in the third quarter. Oh, good steal here by Pamulagan. Kenneth on the run. Challenged by Reyes but no problem. Since Pamulagan at naputol nila yung kalamangan dito sa 5 puntos after that Pamulagan layup. Coach Vince Icban calls for time. Let's take a look at that steal by Pamulagan. And then sinukat pa na yung challenge dun ni Kurt Reyes. 2 points para dito sa Minalin. 62-57 in favor of Florida Blanca.
Ladies and gentlemen, abangan nyo po ang mga Sinag Liga Asia upcoming tournaments. This March po magaganap ang 19 under and 23 under. Of course, the winners of that tournament, especially for the 23 under, will participate on the Junior World Showcase happening in July 18 to 24 dito po sa Pampanga, where international teams will be coming in, as well as Visayas and Mindanao teams din. Kaya abangan nyo po ang mga upcoming tournaments ng Sinag Liga Asia. Malay nyo, etong mga players na naglalaro ngayon, makita nyo dun sa Sinag Liga Asia as Orina. No good putback ni Alquero.
Good putback right there para dito kay Clyde Alquero.
Kenneth, stolen away by Lopez. Last 2 minutes ng ball game tayo rito. Harvey goes to Kenneth. Oh, Reyes misses the layup. Lopez resets. 10 seconds to shoot for Florida Blanca. Salvador, 7 seconds. Harvey, 4 seconds. Harvey makes his move. Harvey flips it up and in. What a shot there by Speedy Harvey. And Coach Vince is asking for a foul pa. Harvey had to squeeze himself through 2 defenders. Adrian kicks it. Pamulagan, 3-pointer. Still no go. And look at Speedy Harvey with a rebound. Oh, what a pass. Here comes Kurt. Kurt, the layup wala, but andun si Orina for the putback. Balik sa 11 puntos. Ang kalamangan dito ng Florida Blanca. What a timeout call for Coach Vince Icban. They put the lead back up to 11 points, 68-57.
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. As makikita natin, halos mapuno na itong Brenzy Giao Convention Center dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. May tumuturo-turo pa sa camera. Yung ganyan. Yes, I'm talking to my floor director.
Let's see what a counter run para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. 6-0 run after that timeout ni Coach Vince Icban. Score was 52-57 kanina, and then a 6-0 run para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Parungal loses the ball, and ball will go back dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Harvey gives it to Orina. They're trying to nail the dagger right now in the ball game, trying to put the finishing touches here. Shaquille turns it over. Good defense by Lobo. Irish nagmamadali. Lobo gives it to Cruz. Cruz overshoots the layup. Lobo jumper, wala pa rin, and Orina with another rebound. They're trying to slow the pace down, trying to waste away the time as no good yung three-pointer ni Pineda. They give it to Harvey Salvador, 30 seconds remaining in this ball game. Harvey with some razzle-dazzle right now. What a finish para dito to Florida Blanca and Lopez. There's the dagger. What a layup there for Harold Lopez. And that'll do it na para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. An 8-0 finishing run as the dunk by Pamulagan is a miss. But how about Florida Blanca? Another victory para sa kanila dito. Again, last Wednesday they did defeat itong San Fernando. Fernandino Kakayabe ka in their own home floor. Ngayon naman, they defeated itong Minalin All-Stars right here. What a ball game for the boys of Coach Vince Ikban. They will go up dito sa standings natin. Kanina, number 3 sila. So let's check later on. After this victory, ano na ba ang kanilang lugar sa team standings? At eto, ang ating final score, 70-57 at 13-point lead para dito sa Florida Blanca. Abe King Panyulong. And what a victory for them. Grabe. They had to go through a lot in that, especially in that third period kung saan they only scored 9 points the entire third at 2 players lang nakascore. Pero in the fourth quarter, they had a big finishing run dito at kasama ko na nga ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Speedy Harvey Salvador. Harvey, congratulations. Yung fourth quarter nyo, nababa sa 5 ng Minalin yung kalamangan, 62-57. Tapos tinapos yun ang laro, 8-0 run after no timeout ni Coach Vince Ikban. Ano ba yung sinabi ni Coach Vince sa inyo sa huddle at nagising kayo bigla para matapos yung laro ng panalo?
Ginawa lang namin yung sinabi niya sa amin. Yung instruction niya sa offense and defense, ginawa namin.
Well, Harvey, 17 points coming off the bench. Ikaw dito, alam namin, nakatutok sa Sinagliga Asa na Speedy Harvey Salvador, one of the best point guards talaga from Pampanga. As Harvey, ngayon, tataas kayo sa team standings. Number 3 kayo kanina, pero ngayon pwede kayo umakyat sa number 2. Ano pa ba mga kailangan gawin ng Florida Blanca para makuha nyo yung number 1 spot sa bracket B?
Mag-ensayo ba po at wag magkumpiyansa kung anong meron kami ngayon. Tuloy-tuloy lang po.
Tama ka dyan, Harvey. At ngayon bibigyan na kita ng tsansa na batiin lahat ng gusto mong batiin at bigyan ng shoutout.
Shoutout sa family ko, tsaka sa family ng GF ko, kay Mitmit. Sa mayor namin, advice kay Consyal Darren Manalansan, kay Consyal Debbie. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa amin at sa mga kaibigan ko.
Congratulations once again, Speedy Harvey Salvador, 17 points in the victory para dito sa Florida Blanca. They will move up on the team standings na makikita natin mamaya sa susunod na laro. Speaking of, ang ating susunod na laro dito sa Delta Cup, coming up next is the City of Mabalacat versus ang Apalit. I love it. Yan po ang ating third game, but that ends our game number 2 dito sa Delta Cup. Tutok lang po kayo kasi meron pa tayong 2 laro dito, but dyan po magtatapos ang ating second game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Brent Ziegao Convention Center, this has been your 2024 Delta Cup